What's up you guys? In today's video, I will be reviewing the NOA Reset Drops Azelaic Serum as it claims to restore your skin fast. So some of the things na pag-uusapan natin today is ano ba ang azelaic acid, anong benefit nito sa skin, and how to use it. Here are some benefits of the azelaic acid. It unclogs pores, treats acne, fades hyperpigmentation, soothes rosacea, and exfoliates dead skin cells. Ayan, so in short, it's pore minimizing, anti-acne, and fades dark spots. Other than azelaic acid, it also has Centella asiatica, which helps to calm redness and irritation, green tea for antimicrobial, and willow herb for anti-inflammatory. So if you have acne, makakatulong tong mga to para pakalmahin at pagalingin yung mga acne at gawing less irritated ang skin para mas fresh looking. So let me show you how the bottle looks like. This is the consistency, not too watery and not too sticky. And when you apply it on skin, mabilis lang siyang ma-absorb. So how to use it? So gamitin mo siya after mo maghilamos using any facial cleanser or after toner if you're using a toner. Just apply 3 drops on your face and gently massage and then pat it gently for better absorption. Use it twice a day, sa umaga at sa gabi. You can see immediately na nagtatighten yung pores mo right after mo siyang i-apply on your skin and nag-glow siya kaagad. Let me show you what I mean kung kaya ng camera na mapakita sa inyo. So, just apply 3 drops. Yan. Oops, kulang. There. Yan, so 3 drops okay na. Kung gusto mo yung 4, okay lang din naman. So, massage mo lang siya. And then once na massage mo na siya, just pat it gently para mas ma-absorb siya. So, yan, tayo natin kung magbabago siya. Yan. Bago mo siya.
A few moments later.
So, I hope nakikita siya. Kita ba? Diba? So, ewan. Basta, tingnan nyo maigi. Makita mo na medyo nagtatighten yung pores mo para nag-glow siya kaagad. And after mo siyang gamitan ng mga ilang araw, mapansin ko na less haggard yung skin ko. And bihira din ako magka-acne or pimple. Those are my observations using this serum for almost 2 months now. Kasi they sent me this nung, I think, March. This is also fragrance-free and suitable for all skin types. In fact, azelaic acid is one of the lesser irritating ingredient for skincare. So it is very safe. So how much is the NOA Reset Drop Serum? It is only 325 pesos for a 15 ml bottle, which would last you about 3 weeks to a month. If you guys want to try NOA Reset Drop Serum, as usual, I will link it down in the description. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop it down in the comment section. So that is it for the NOA Reset Drop Serum. Before you go, please hit the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you'll become part of the notification squad. Thank you guys again for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace.